We all dream of a green Sahel, a prosperous Sahel, a Sahel where living is good. And you know what? We can get there. We can regreen the Sahel. We can make it prosperous by harnessing innovation. Yeah, but what kind of innovation, you'll ask me? Well, maybe yours. If you know how to encourage farmers at scale to adopt better agricultural practices like Farmer-Managed Natural Regeneration, if you know how to encourage young people to come together to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams, if you know how to help women's groups reach the next level in the way that they help their members, then we want to hear from you. We is a project funded by the European Union called Knowledge for Great Green Wall Action. And what we have is money and mentoring abilities to help you reach the next level with your innovation. So to your keyboards, share your ideas with us. Go to ggwinnovations.org and share your idea. And if you win, we'll work together to make this dream of a green Sahel a reality.